Gap insurance for your vehicle, what you need to know. What is gap insurance? Gap insurance, or Guaranteed Asset Protection Insurance, is designed to cover the difference between the amount you owe on your car loan or lease and the current market value of your vehicle if it's totaled or stolen. When a car is declared a total loss, your standard auto insurance policy typically covers only the actual cash value, or ACV, of the vehicle at the time of the loss. If you owe more on your loan or lease than the car is worth, the gap insurance will cover this difference, ensuring that you are not financially burdened by the remaining balance. Pros and cons. Advantages. Financial protection. The primary advantage of gap insurance is its ability to protect you from financial loss in the event of a total loss or theft of your vehicle. Without gap insurance, you could be left paying off a loan for a car you no longer own. Affordability. Gap insurance is often relatively inexpensive compared to the cost of coverage. Many auto insurers offer it as an add-on to your existing policy at a reasonable rate. Peace of mind. Having gap insurance provides peace of mind, knowing that you won't be stuck with a large debt if your car is totaled or stolen. Disadvantages, not always necessary. If you're making substantial down payments or have a shorter loan term, the likelihood of being upside down on your loan may be low. In such cases, gap insurance might be an unnecessary expense. Limited coverage. Gap insurance does not cover things like personal property or any other costs associated with vehicle loss. It strictly covers the difference between your loan balance and the car's value. Purchase timing. Typically, gap insurance must be purchased at the time of the car purchase or lease. While some insurers offer it after the fact, it's less common and may not be as effective. Is gap insurance a separate policy? Gap insurance is generally not a standalone policy, but rather an endorsement or add-on to your existing auto insurance policy. However, some insurers may offer it as a separate product. The key is to verify with your insurance provider how gap insurance is handled and whether it needs to be purchased through them or from a third party. When to purchase gap insurance? Ideally, gap insurance should be purchased at the time of buying or leasing your vehicle. This ensures that you have coverage from the very beginning of your loan or lease term. If you didn't initially purchase gap insurance but find yourself in a situation where the value of your car has significantly depreciated compared to your loan balance, you might still have the option to add it later, though this is less common and might come with limitations. Do you really need gap insurance? Whether you need gap insurance depends on several factors, including the size of your down payment, the length of your loan or lease, and the rate at which your car's value depreciates. If you have a large loan balance relative to your car's value, or if you're leasing a vehicle, gap insurance is typically recommended. For those who have made a substantial down payment or are financing a car for a shorter period, the necessity of gap insurance may be less pressing. Gap insurance companies. Several well-known insurance companies offer gap insurance as part of their coverage options. AAA offers gap insurance with various coverage options and benefits. Progressive provides gap insurance as an optional add-on to its auto insurance policies. USAA is known for competitive rates on gap insurance, particularly for military members and their families. State Farm offers gap insurance with flexible terms and competitive pricing. Nationwide includes gap insurance in its suite of coverage options. Travelers provides gap insurance with a range of customizable options. Liberty Mutual offers gap insurance with various add-on features. Allstate includes gap insurance as part of its auto insurance offerings. Geico provides affordable gap insurance as an option for policyholders. Amica Mutual offers gap insurance with comprehensive coverage options. Safeco includes gap insurance as an add-on to its auto policies. Landcar Casualty provides gap insurance with competitive rates. Markel offers gap insurance with various coverage levels. Ironshore Indemnity includes gap insurance as part of its auto insurance products. Great American provides gap insurance with flexible coverage terms. First Colonial offers gap insurance with various policy options. In conclusion, gap insurance can be a valuable addition to your auto insurance policy, especially if you owe more on your vehicle than its current value. While it may not be necessary for everyone, it provides significant financial protection for those who are at risk of being upside down on their loans or leases. Understanding the pros and cons, as well as the options available from various insurers, will help you make an informed decision about whether gap insurance is right for you. Click on the link in the description below for your free ebook titled Understanding Your Options. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful insurance info and tips.